In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a company resource library in Trello. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or you just want a cleaner, more scalable system, I'll walk you through a simple process that keeps everything organized and easy to find. We'll start by setting up your board. In the Trello header, click the plus icon and choose Create Board. Give it a clear title, like Company Resource Library, and assign it to the workspace your team actually uses. This keeps access straightforward and avoids duplicate boards floating around. Once the board is created, add your categories as vertical lists. Think of these as shelves in your library. For most teams, brand assets, HR and policies, tutorials, and software links are a solid starting point. Keep list names broad and stable so people don't have to guess where something lives. You can always drag lists to reorder them as your library grows. Next, let's add your resources as cards. For every document, link, or asset, create a new card in the right list. Use short, descriptive titles so people can scan quickly. And if it helps your workflow, include a date or version in the card name. Open the card and click Attachment to add files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or your computer. If you're linking from a cloud service, double-check sharing settings so teammates can open the file without requesting access. In the description box, write a brief summary of what the resource is and when to use it. This is also a great place to paste clickable links to external web pages, like brand guidelines or vendor portals. Keep the description concise but informative. Think what someone new to the team would need to know at a glance. As things evolve, you can always update attachments or move the card to a different list by dragging and dropping. Finally, bring clarity to the whole board with labels. Add color-coded labels to categorize by department, target audience, or priority. For example, internal versus public is a helpful distinction, and you can add labels for teams like marketing, HR, or engineering. Give your labels names so the colors are meaningful, and apply more than one label when needed. Labels make visual scanning faster and help your team zero in on what matters most. If you found value in today's video, hitting the like button is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover our content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments, maybe a part you enjoyed, or a suggestion on how we can level up. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.